second is a minute. Second hiccups is 16 hours. If you sing just one small sound, or chorus, not too long. That's just enough to fill a minute. You know,
How long is an hour?
how long is an hour? 16 minutes. Singing by if you build a sound tower. If you build a sound
Sandy Tower.
sandy tower. Rain
Run.
runs through a
Sprinkly.
sprinkly
Shower.
shower. A tree and
Smell.
smell a flower.
Pretend.
Pretend you have a secret power.
That should nicely fill.
Then should nicely fill and an
Hour.
hour. How long is a day?
24 hours.
24 hours by a clock. Try. Starting when the sun comes up, a dry, nice feeling, like a cup, hip-hop, kiss, songs, or showers, lots of
Showers.
lots of trees, and lots of flowers. Breakfast, lunch, and snack, and
Dinner.
play some
Dinner.
play some games, and cheer then
Winter.
draw a picture, reading a book, read a book, tell a joke, and learn to clock. Clock.
Cook.
Cook.
Watch.
Watch the
Sunshine. เข้าไป sunshine.
sunshine